In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a table in a Miro board in Chrome. To get started, open your Miro board in the Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the board where you want to organize information, since tables are especially useful when you need a clean, structured layout for things like planning, tracking ideas, or comparing details side by side. Once your board is open, take a quick look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen, because that's where you'll find the tool you need. On the left toolbar, click More Apps. This opens the expanded list of tools available inside Miro. From there, select Table. If you prefer using shortcuts and menus to move a little faster, you can also press the T menu to find the Table option. Either method will bring up the Table tool, so just use whichever feels more natural for you. The main goal here is simply to activate the Table feature so you can place one onto your board. Once the Table tool is selected, move your cursor over the canvas and click where you want the table to appear. This will place a table grid directly onto the board. Try to choose a spot that gives you enough room to expand later if needed, especially if you plan to add more rows or columns. Positioning it thoughtfully at the beginning can save time when you start building out your content. After the table is on the canvas, you can begin customizing it. Use the plus buttons to add more columns or rows, depending on how much information you need to include. This is useful if your original table size is too small or if your content grows as you work. You can adjust the structure as you go, which makes tables in Miro flexible for both simple and more detailed setups. Next, click directly into any cell and start typing your content. You can enter headings, labels, notes, dates, tasks, or any other information you want to organize. Working cell by cell helps keep everything neat and easy to scan, which is one of the biggest advantages of using a table instead of scattered text boxes. As you fill it in, think about keeping related information grouped together so the table stays easy to read. A well-organized table makes collaboration smoother, especially when other people view or edit the board later. And that's how to add and use a table in a Miro board in Chrome.